everybody, I am Neelima, working as a senior staff nurse at the NICU Fernandez Stork Home, Banjara Hills. I started my nursing career in 2018 at Fernandez Hospital. The desire to be a nurse was planted in my soul when I witnessed my mother's death. Because of the lack of proper facilities, she suffered a lot. Seeing this, I decided to become a nurse and make a difference in the way care is offered. For me, my daily motivation is the smiles of the babies and their parents. The personal satisfaction I get from witnessing the healing of people and the joy of their loved ones cements my belief that nursing is the right career choice for me. Some babies that come into the NICU really challenge us and often leave us with memorable moments. Among these many stories, I would like to share the journey of a baby who was born at 28 weeks. He needed breathing support for long duration and was on ventilation and nutrition support for many months. It was a challenging journey for both the baby and the NICU team. But the parents' hope and the baby fighting spirit and his smiles boosted our spirit to do our best. Finally, as a team, the baby and we overcome all the difficulties. During the discharge, by just seeing the gratitude-filled smiles of the parents and the joy in their hearts, we felt very happy. I want to encourage women to become a neonatal nurses. I just want to say that you would know in your heart if this is your calling. So be true to it. It's not just a job, it is our purpose in the world.